friends, welcome back to the channel SciTech. In this video I'm going to talk about the price details about the Realme GT Neo 2. So you might be wondering why I'm making this kind of videos, but the main reason is because the price of this phone keeps on changing every 2-3 hours. Yes friends, I'm not sure why the prices keeps on changing of the Realme GT Neo 2. So right now the Realme GT Neo 2 you can actually get for about 27,449, but when the phone released around 12 o'clock you can actually get for about 25,499, and then actually they increased to 26,000. Now it became 27,000, and I'm getting a lot of messages as well regarding this topic. That's why I thought of making a video and explaining you clearly what is going on in this price scam in the Flipkart or whatever you call in this website. So right now the Realme GT Neo 2 has been unlocked for the Flipkart Plus membership users, which we do know, and right now the date is about close to 16th October, and exactly around 12 o'clock as the sale has been started in the Realme GT Neo 2, you will be able to see the 4 offers coming on the SBI card. I mean 3 offers on the SBI card and 1 offer is on the Universal card. I mean any other bank cards you can actually use credit or debit card and you can get 3,000 discount, and total 3 offers were there on the SBI credit card. Try to look at the SBI credit card clearly. As you can see, if you have the SBI credit card, you can actually get for about 25,499. This offer is available for I think close to 10 to 15 minutes of time, I think so. And immediately after that, the phone went out of stock, and few of the users, they were actually planning to buy for this low price, but they could not buy because of the out of stock. And later it came in stock, but the price has been changed. It became 26,249. So if you see, there is a one small difference is there. Now there is only 2 SBI credit cards offer is going on. There is no 750 offer which is before. As you can see exactly, that has been completely removed after a few minutes of time. Just within I think 20 to 30 minutes of time, the price immediately changed. So 750 offer is completely gone, and you can clearly see. And right now the Realme GT Neo 2 you can actually get for about 27,000. I'm getting a lot of friends. I'm not sure why they are trying to do it like this, because there are a lot of users are actually planning to buy this device after seeing this kind of deal, and it's kind of really weird to see. And right now we are getting only 1 SBI card offer. I'm not sure about tomorrow's sale. Tomorrow, October 17th, there will be sale of the Realme GT Neo 2 as well. I'm not sure about what's going to happen tomorrow. So maybe I'm getting thinking like maybe this might be the final price of the Realme GT Neo 2 for tomorrow's sale. That's what I'm expecting, but let's see. So don't worry, I'll try to cover that kind of topic as soon as possible. So stay tuned for more updates as well on this particular topic in case if you're interested to know. So definitely I'll try to cover a lot of videos on this particular phone, but it's totally weird, very weird friends. This is my first time experiencing this much of huge price increasing on a single day, on a single model, on a single variant, which is 8GB RAM variant. So let me know in the comment section below friends, what are your thoughts on this one. I just want to share this kind of information with you all. Right now the price has been slightly increased again, 27,749, and this is I think 3rd time again increasing the price. So that's it friends, thank you for watching this video, and stay tuned for more updates. In case if you have any other queries regarding this phone or any other phone, let me know in the comment section below. And meanwhile, signing off friends, bye.